Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change the color of text in Figma. So whether you're just starting out with Figma or you want to speed up your workflow and make your designs pop with the right color, you're in the right place. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll be able to confidently change text colors in any design, making your work stand out and feel more professional. So let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open up Figma, either on your desktop app or straight from your browser. It works the same way on both, so don't worry if you're working online or offline. Once Figma is open, take a second to make sure you've either opened an existing design file you want to edit, or just spin up a brand new file if you're following along and want to experiment as we go. For this demo, I'll just use a fresh canvas. Now let's add some text. Grab your text tool. You can do this by clicking on the big T in the toolbar over on the left, or if you like keyboard shortcuts, just hit T on your keyboard. Click anywhere on your canvas and start typing out your text, maybe your name, a headline, or even just hello world. Really, anything will work here, so don't overthink your choice. What matters is getting something on the screen that you can play with. Alright, with your text in place, let's talk about how to actually change its color. Make sure your text box is selected. You'll see a bunch of options pop up on the right side of the screen, the Properties panel. Find the section labeled Fill. This is where Figma controls the color of objects, and for text, it works exactly the same way. You'll notice there's a color square there showing the current color, usually defaulted to black. Click on that colored square and a color picker will pop up. This is where the fun begins. You can drag around to select any hue in the rainbow, type in a specific hex code if you have a brand color to match, or even use the opacity slider to fade the color in or out. If you want bright red text, just pick a red. Need something subtle like gray? Go for it. The color updates live on your canvas, so you can immediately see what looks best. If you change your mind, don't stress, just pick a new color until you're happy. It's a bit like picking your favorite color crayon out of the box. You've got total creative freedom here. And honestly, that's all there is to it. As soon as you choose the color you like, your text is instantly updated, no need to click save or hunt for any extra buttons. Figma's really intuitive like that. Once you've changed the fill color, your text takes on your chosen shade and you can keep designing right from there. So if you ever need to adjust heading colors for contrast, match your company's branding, or simply add some personality to your designs, now you know exactly how to do it. It's quick, it's easy, and with a little practice, you'll be flying through color changes like a pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. Got a question or want to see more Figma tips? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and I'll be sure to check them out. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our upcoming design tutorials. See you in the next video.